Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about 4 months profit in weekdays after the date of 2011 510. So in the 12th video of this back series, we have talked about 4 months profit in weekends after the same date. Okay. In this tutorial, we will see about the weekdays profit. Okay. So for this, I have created, first of all, here you can see it is a dash date table. Here we have created a calendar, and in the calendar, I have created the starting date 2011 1st of January and ending date. Ending date is 2014 of 31st of December. This is the calendar. So in the calendar table, it is a table. Okay. So in this table, I have created a column that is called week number. Here you can see week number. So sorry, weekday. So here you can see this is another column that is called weekday. In the weekday column, here I have take the weekday function, and it is the date table, date table, and comma two. Two means our weekday starts with Monday. Okay. If I written here one, that means our weekday starts with Sunday. But in our India, weekday starts with Monday. So it is 2. So in the uh, in column, you can see Saturday is 6, Sunday means 7, Monday means 1, Tuesday means 2, Wednesday means 3. Like this, Friday is 5. Friday is 5. Here you can see. Okay. So now I have in the previous one we have taken the if weekday greater than 5. Okay, this type of thing. If you have not seen that video, first see that. So in this video we have created like this: calculate total profit, filter date table, if weekday comma 2 less than 6. So what is happening? Let's see. It is calculating total profit. It is calculating total profit and filtering the date table. Okay, filtering the date table. If weekday of the date table, which starts with Monday, less than 6. Less than 6 means there are 7 days in a week. Okay, so less than 6. Less than 6 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, Saturday means 6 and Sunday means 7. So less than 6 means Monday to Friday. Okay. Less than 6 means Monday to Friday. And 2 is just for it is starting with Monday. Okay. Less than 6 means Monday to Friday. If the weekday is Monday to Friday, then 1, that means 2, or else 0, that means false. So it is calculating the total profit and filtering it on the weekdays only. Then dates in period. What dates in period is doing? Dates in period taking a range. Which range? That is date table of date. Date table from the date table it is taking the range. From which date? We want this date. From this date, and the interval will be 4 and month. Okay. It is calculating total profit only the weekdays which is less than 6. Less than 6 means there are 7 days in a week. Less than 6 means Monday to Friday. Okay, 6 means Saturday, 7 means Sunday. So less than 6 means Monday to Friday, and the filtering total profit Monday to Friday from which date? From 2011 5/10. Okay, 2011 5/10, and it is going till 4 months from this date. Okay, so if I run this, we are getting this one. 4 months profit only in weekdays after the date of 2011 5/10. Okay, I think this video we have got the whatever we want to show. So if you like my videos, please like it. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. If you have any query, please comment in the comment section and support my channel. It will motivate me. Thank you guys. Thank you.